I hope I'm audible, children, for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Yeah. So today's class is about exercise 14.4, which is a last exercise of this chapter. And our work doesn't stop here. Definitely our work begins from here. After completing our last exercise of this chapter, learning
Sir, NCERT
statistics of,
example.
pardon dear?
NCERT example problem, sir.
Exactly. Our job starts from there. Rather stopping, it starts from there. Anyways, these questions, there are somewhere 6 questions in this exercise 14.4. These questions are easy for you, and obviously, if I just discuss, you will be doing it on your own. But our next job is a very important job, that is NCERT exam plus. There, somewhere around 20 to 25, 30 questions we have to solve. And that we have to do it at the earliest, okay, depending on my free time, my availability tomorrow. Okay, I'm planning to take leave on Monday, but still I'll see if possible. I'll take that day also for your class. So let's start. The following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. Find mean, median, and mode of these scores. How to find? Straight away, what you can say?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, probably
No,
network
sir.
issue.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Straight away in this question, you can answer mode, right? What is mode here?
Sir, 3.
Sir, 3.
Three, sir.
Reason?
3 is
Sir, it
repeating
is
for more
more
time.
Sir, it has more occurring frequency.
Yes, it is more occurring frequent. I mean, it is more occurring observation, or an observation having more frequency or maximum frequency. Now, next, what am I doing?
Arranging in ascending orders.
Perfect. So we have 0, 1, 3 for 4 times, next 4 and 5. Am I right? And 4 is there for 2 times,
Four,
then
total.
5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So next you can say this fellow. Even number of observations, what we will do? We will go for finding,
N by n plus 1 by 2.
yes, median is an average of 10 by 2, that is n by 2, and next to that fellow, observations. Okay, now this is 5th observation, and next to that fellow is 6th observations. So it is an average of 5th and 6th observations. Thus here 5th observation is 3 and 6th observation is also 3. Thus their average definitely 3 only. 3 plus 3 by 2 is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3 only. Okay, both the numbers are same, so average must be the same, that number. So median also you can find. Now how to find mean?
Adding all divided
Sum of
by
Yes.
observation divided by number of
Yes.
observed.
See, 1 plus 2 is 3. This 3 for 4 times. So 3 5s are 15. Plus 4 2s are plus 5. So 28 by whole divided by 10, which is 2.8. Have you understood how I did?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the simple question, how to solve mean, median, mode of a given raw data. Next, moving on to the next question. In a mathematics test, given to 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. Same mean, median, mode of this data to be found. Will you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
I am giving this as work for you only, children. If you are able to do it, let's move on. Next question number 3. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. They have arranged already in ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, find the value of x. See how many observations are there? 4, 6, 10. Okay. There are 10 observations. When there are 10 observations, therefore median will be average of 5th and
Fifth
6th
and sixth
observation.
observation.
Correct now?
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore median will be that 5th observation is x and 6th observation is x plus 2 and the by 2 will be the median. So the moment you tap here, this relation 63 equals to x plus 2. X plus 2 is 2x plus 2. I hope you don't have any doubt. Okay,
Sir, it
x
would
plus,
be x plus 1.
yeah, x plus x is 2x plus 2 and this by 2 is a numerator which will multiply the other side. So 126 equals to 2x plus 2 and on solving you will get the value of x. What is the value of x? X equals to
62.
62.
62. This is the value of x and therefore this observation is 62 and this observation is 64. Understood how to do? So such question will come as a blank, fill in the blank. Okay, options A, B, C, D are fill in the blank are true or false type. Okay, these are the type of questions which we can expect in objective type. Next, question number 4.
Sir, all paper will be of multiple choice, sir.
No. You'll have 25 questions MCQ and rest of the questions objective, subjective, writing type. Okay, children. Now let's move on this one. Find the mode of this. Will you able to do it?
Sir, 14.
That's it. Perfect. Next, let's question number 5. Find the mean salary of 60 workers.
Sir, previous slide, sir, will take screenshot.
Which one? 4, huh? Question number 4. Prajwal.
Okay,
Question number 3. Which one? Prajwal?
Sir, second one.
Is it second one? This we have already done. No? This is the home.
No, sir. I asked fourth, sir. Abhishek is asking second.
Sir, taking screenshot, sir, for writing.
No. I have already posted your statistics chapter, na?
That I not, sir, so I asked.
No. Statistics chapter is there with you. Don't worry. If you want, you can download from the NCERT textbooks section. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's a better option. This I didn't discuss with you. Answer is not there. Just you need a question. Yeah. Question number 4 is there for you. Let's move on to question number 5. Find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory from the following table. This is the table. See, you are given xi and you are given fi. What we need to find out?
FX.
Very good.
Fi.
Fixi or fx? No problem. For your class 9th level, we say fx. Now, you know how to do it?
Yes,
You
sir.
get the numbers. 16 3s are 48 and side 3 zeros. 4 So 48,000. 12 fours are again 48. na?
48,000. Yes, sir.
So again 48,000. This is 50,000.
50,000.
50,000, sir.
So
Again 48,000.
again
48,000, sir.
48,000. So you know how to do it.
42,000, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now Akash, correct, 42,000. Good, Akash, good. So now you find a sigma fx.
32,000
32,000, sir.
32,000.
27,000, sir.
Very good. 27,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Now sigma fx you can find out na. So anyway ಇದು 1000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 11 19 27 35 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ 35 ಬರ್ತದ 3 9 17 22 30 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 0 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 3,05,000 ಹೌದಾ? ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಫೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು
Yes, sir.
ತಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಫ್ ಇದು ಬಂತಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಮೀನ್, ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನ್. ಈಗ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಫ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎನ್. 3,05,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ divided by 3,05,000 divided by 60. So 0
Yes,
0
sir.
cancels. Now you find the value. Is it clear how to do? So R
Yes, sir.
R5
Yes, sir.
35 ಇದು 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 48 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 3 20. ಸೊ 3 ಬಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 5,083.3 ಬಾರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು
Sir, 83
mean.
decimal, sir.
ಹೌದಪ್ಪ. ಏನಪ್ಪ? ವಾಟ್ ಪಿಯೂಷ್?
Sir, it can come in decimal, sir.
Obviously mean can be decimals.
Sir, if
Correct
it
to
is
2 decimal
continuing,
places. Okay, correct to 2 decimal places.
sir, if it is,
Sir, and
sir, if it is continuing, like in this question, the product is continuing, sir.
Product ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್
The solution is continuing, like the decimal is continuing, na, sir.
correct to 2 decimal places.
Yes, sir. We can write like 3, 4 and finish.
Correct to 2 decimal places. Okay,
Okay.
correct to 2 decimal places. Next question number 6.
sir, in median decimal will come or not, sir?
Median also it can come. Okay, in median also it can come because it's an average.
Yes.
Yeah. Raw data ಗೆ median of raw data. Median of group data ಗೂ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಾಟಾಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವು 10th ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು 6th question. Give one example of a situation in which the mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency. Mean ಅನ್ನೋದು exact appropriate measure of central tendency ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Many examples you can say. Average height of your class is exactly found only when you find mean. Okay, average height. Then or you take average mileage is exact. When you measure exactly, it gives appropriately. Then average mileage of your bike or car or something like that. Next, give an example for the situation. The mean is not appropriate measure of central tendency, but the median is an appropriate measure of central tendency. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು? ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. I don't know. We'll be able to search for it. Okay, children, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know. You search for it. Let me see. Let us see. Take. Bye. So with this, I have completed this today's class of a statistics chapter. But I am starting next topic. Okay. What is the next topic?
Extension of example.
Shall we do or not do?
We'll do first exercise, sir. Multiple choice question.
Will do, sir.
Sir, first we will complete our syllabus, then we can do.
बाबा आपका सिलेबस हो चुका है ऑलरेडी, पूरा का पूरा हो गया। स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ऊपर एग्जाम्पलर प्रॉब्लम करना है, अब करना है या नहीं करना है? Shall we do?
Sir, let's do, sir.
हाँ,
Sir,
okay. Now I will conduct one poll for this. Okay, I will stop recording first.